I've been using Ignition for 8 to 10 years. I don't remember how long it's been, but it was a game changer when I took it onto my firm. Before I implemented Ignition payments, it was all, first of all, we were hourly, and then I had to do invoices. The invoices were in an Excel file. I printed them, sent them out via email, and then I waited for the checks to arrive. Now things are automatic. I sleep in on the first, and the money just shows up. My proposal process before Ignition took days. Because even though I can automate a lot of things in Excel, it's the thought of almost creating it from scratch every single time. So now with Ignition, not only do I have all of my services ready to go, I've got templates for various different services. I select those templates, boom, 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 remove the things I don't need. After the phone call, when I say, hey, I'm gonna put this into my platform, I can get it out in 5 minutes. So before Ignition and with out-of-scope work, first of all, I probably didn't know what was out of scope because people were all doing whatever they want, kind of like the Wild Wild West. And then I find out afterwards when I'm comparing budget versus actual, going, what the heck? And then it was kind of too late. You couldn't go back because it was a little too late. Now, good conversation, great communication, something goes out of scope, I easily go, hey, I'll just create a little proposal for you and send it on off. Boom, boom, boom. Within an hour, it's signed.